can't remember. There's a lot to do here. Oh, yeah. This. How might I do this? So here, we generate the field here. Everything kind of depends on having a field, but what we could do, right, is generate a field without mines. So everything is safe. Right? And then they select a spot, we update, but then we lay mines with a reserved spot. Kind of brutal. How else? If we lay the mines first and then no matter what they pick, it's free, that means we might need to move a number or a mine. We can't really do that, right? Because what if it's the number next to a mine, then that spot's free, then we're improperly saying that this is a free spot, there's no mines around. Meanwhile, there might be a mine right next to it. And if we do select a mine, then we need to update everything around it too. It's like that's a nightmare. What we need to do is know the user's first selection, reserve the spot. So like inlay mines, there would be field, width, height, and mines, and then also like free, you know? Are these, everything's safe in here? Let's back up. How would I design this if it was from the ground up? Would I do something substantially different? Last night I talked about like the key value pairs and potentially doing that. One thing I'm realizing with key value pairs is you lose, actually you don't really lose the ability to look around easily. You would just calculate the XY chords. Does that help me in any other way? If it were objects, then I could easily just add a property instead of doing all this stuff being passed around, which might be nice. But I'm not sure it's reason enough to rewrite most of this. Let's see. So instead of generate field, we should probably just do so can I ever, does it always have to be free first? Yeah, and look how it opens everything, right? Whoa, dude. Wait, so if it opens everything, then there's a lot to do on the first move. Hmm. I'll think of something here. Okay. So we know what needs to happen. Yeah, do you see what needs to happen though? I need to walk. I need to walk the minefield basically. And when oh my god, dude. And when I set one as free, I actually need to look at every spot to see if it's connected to free one. And if it is, mark it as free. Okay, so okay. So that seems like okay, so my sweep field probably needs to so we're gonna have so we have a sot and a field. I should call this board. Let's call this actually the visible board. And then the sot. This is getting so confusing. This is getting super confusing. Let's see. So if I want to mark free, I never update the sot field. What I do so I don't want to do this. Don't I show the number? Fuck. What shows right now? Oh, I'm like, okay, this is what shows right now, and this is wrong. So that's here. generate field needs to, so this needs to be empty, right? Fuck. This needs to be empty. And we need to just do turn field, right? So now there should be no mines. Oh. Yeah, this is like not working. Okay. So we need and then we also need val let's just do visible and sought. Okay, so we're using the functions we have, even though we could probably clean this up a little bit. But this looks better. And then this is going to come here. And now we go to sweep field. So this is going to be, oh, shit. Sought. And then here we can do visible minefield. Mines field. Instead of doing a visible board in here, we'll just do this. And then do this. Okay. So now we always print visible. Okay. So we need to do a few things. I'm thinking we do fun game initialization, and we do we pass in the sought. We pass in mines. And what do we get? So we're gonna maybe we do this. Prompt turn. How do I return multiple? Cool. Is there a quadruple? Wait, where did ChatGPT go? Oh, maybe after that you have to do an actual data structure. So we can get rid of, well, let's just move these, right? We at least, oh, I don't need to. We at least remove some bloat and we can pull that in. No, it was Y. Let's double check so I don't break this unintentionally. I don't know. This looks like it's just normal, so let's do it. Val X turn. Okay, so I exported that logic specifically so I could use it here. Okay, val x comma y comma action equals prompt turn. And now that we have, this is the first turn. So we can update the sort. Okay, so prompt for first turn. Let's see, if action not free, error. Set invoke lay mines on sought and reserve prompted spot, right? So if action does not equal free, nope. And then lay mines okay, so we need to update lay mines now. So first off, we get a minefield. Let's use it. Oops. All right, so we don't need these anymore. Okay, so now we have a reserved spot, right? Let's see. If mines contains key, it's so funny because I'm like literally doing this here for the mines. I just didn't put it all the way through. So, and then if, okay, so that's a while, and then we can do val reservation key equals do this. If mines, no, it's if key equals first move reservation key. Continue. Get a different one. I don't give a shit. Okay, so we do that, right? So that should guarantee. Oh God, I went too deep, and I need a way to test this now. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so let's nix this. Okay. Let's print. Let's first initialize game initialization. Sought and mines. And then print field sought. All right, so let's see what happens right now. I want 9 mines. Okay, we have an empty field, and we're going to 3 free. I don't know what just happened. Place hints. Oh, I'm in lay mines. I didn't make it through. Let's see. What happened here? In place hints. Why did this break? Oh, I know why. Empty. Okay, we're going back to empty. Okay, try again. I thought I was being productive last night, and I was just adding a hack. Okay. I want to change this. It would be nice to apply this. Oh my God, this is such a mess. I don't know if anyone will ever be able to hear that, but the wind is absolutely insane right now. So in here, come on, man. I don't understand the syntax, but whatever. Try again. I want to see where the mines are. Okay. Here we are making. One more time. Free. There we go. Okay, so this is literally just printing what's on the field, right? So now I said 3-3, which obviously is not free, right? So this is where the reserved field needs to come in. So now we go into lay mine and we have this reserved. So this is when generating mines, but it needs to be more than that. Wow, I'm realizing now, yeah. It needs to be that slot and everything around it needs to be free, right? Oh my god. Wow. Dude, am I looking at this the wrong way? This is insane actually. What? Because when I pick a spot, like in this case, 3-3, how much time do I even have left? 10 minutes, dude. I've done nothing in 30. This spot right here, 3-3. If I get rid of this one, it's the problem from earlier. So really, all of this row, and this row needs to be cleared. Has to be reserved. It can't be within. Wow. So bro, I'm about to just start rewriting this. Oh man. Because there's a few things to do, right? It's it's not even done then. Bro, it's like my whole approach has just been invalidated. I kind of don't like that. But what are you gonna do? I didn't really think ahead. Like it kind of feels like I need to start over almost. I can write a function, but like the way I'm doing it, if I write that function, I still need to change my lay mines. This is kind of this is like totally jacked up. Hmm. I wonder. I wonder if we could do all this just in time. Like lay mines, what does this do? It loops over and does this, right? Like I wonder if I did fun. Generate mine chords. Chords. Does this help me in any way? What I'm doing right now? Let's do actually sell. Do I even need all this? I'm literally, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm too tired, man. There's under 4 minutes left. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is a terrible time. Like half my code's commented out. Fuck, I'm in a rabbit hole right now. Like I feel like I could go into execution mode and just do this and do some like error-driven development and make it work, but I was trying to think of a solution to do this elegantly. Where we build our source of truth after, and then we have better ways. Like if we do this, then we actually don't need a source of truth. We just, our print function reads an object and decides what to print. And the is mine, and then val is flagged equals false, right? I don't think I even need this. A cell would just be, oh, no, now it's, is this an interface? Dude, I don't know. Yeah. But at the same time, it's like I want to prevent the collision at the numbers instead of. Oh my god, I'm like rewriting this whole thing now. We will, I don't know, try and do this earlier tomorrow so I have more energy. Can maybe formulate a different plan here. Because right now I feel like it's not not on the right track. I like the interface more here of like a class with properties rather than just relying on two 2D arrays. Like that's going to be a nightmare. This at least separates my this at least separates the display from the manipulation. These should all be var. All right, we'll think of something tomorrow.